Hi guys, it's me, Misha. Let's take a look at our Tuesday. I mean, what do I say? Let's trade. Let's trade the hell out of it. It's your setups, your ideas, and I'll give you a second opinion on it. Ooh, Air product continues to correct. I think it's getting out of this, but we'll see. What we have in here? Ooh, 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 ooh. Uh, ooh, ooh. Uh, Johnson and Johnson fell off the cliff. Fell off the cliff. It's a nice volume though, and that's I think as a test. We'll see how it goes, but for now I have to uh, take my um, take it to break even. Since I have a little commission on this, I'll have to move it to 158, I think. Uh, this trade didn't go our direction, so let me plug it into our broker. My commission, like I checked the commission on this broker, it's just minimal. So like one broker doesn't have commission at all, and the other has uh, like pennies. And I don't mean the sex organ. I mean pennies, cents, if it makes sense. Johnson and Johnson. Yeah, I have a sell limit at 159. Modify. We'll take it to 158. Good till cancelled. Yeah, I'm getting out. This guy does not go my way. Let me put it into my ideas. Trading active didn't go my way, so moving. No. Hit my virtual stop loss, so moving my break even to. So moving take profit to my break even at 158. Yeah, that's all I can do. Boom, fell off the cliff. We waited for a test here. Even we waited for a test. Yeah, that's all I can tell. And this didn't hold either, but broke a buff already. Now it's here, breaking down. Yeah, 5 minute doesn't look good either. There was a quick 2 hour right here, and then I didn't get greedy. It was a good setup. With this volume, yeah. Home Depot. Like Home Depot also gapped down here today. And I think that's it. Uh, ta- 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 ta. That's all I can tell. That's all I can tell. Hmm. That was a gap with retest, and it retests right now. So I wouldn't be too much excited about this. It breaks here above. And minutes. And minutes. If it's comedy, we gotta be like super careful because we don't want to get stuck in Home Depot. It's high. You wouldn't be able to identify this entry point just because there's a splash though, but it was like far above 0.5. That was like far above 0.5. Yeah. And now it's this. If Calm Springs here, I think it will still retest just because it's like gap with retest. We don't need you on our. Um, yeah. I think after this volume, it will just go. And this can be a buy. This can be a quick buy. Out of nowhere, out of emptiness on hourly though, but just knowing that this is in gap is retest. Yeah, let's keep an eye on it. Um, let's see the rest. It's a gloomy Tuesday, huh? HSBC consolidates. Uh, yeah, this is technically not a bad place to buy. Right at the previous. Why did I see it? On hours. Yeah, it's interesting. I just want you to know I wanna be your Romeo, hey Juliet. Dun 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 dun. You really blow my mind. I just want you to know. I'm sorry. That was the biggest volume. Dun, 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 dun. So also fell off the cliff. I shouldn't be even buying here. What the hell? Shouldn't be even buying here. So this is untested volume level. And this is a oh no. Maybe something quick, but like it's so up there. What if I'm wrong? What am I wrong? With this volume? We'll see. Let's keep it on the map for now. Oof, it's gone. Spring it well. BCI. Phew. Yeah, look how many stocks just fell off the cliff here today. Bam. Yeah, goes to this level. I'll continue watching it because it's like it's in a good place on monthly. On monthly. Okay, first signs. So most likely it's not. Sorry, sorry, I'm choking myself. A change of directionality. Well, if it holds here, if it holds here, I didn't close below. Look at this volume. Last volume of an hour. This is dangerous, of course. But if it holds here, gosh, it's a massacre. I'm sorry. I'm still a sleepy cat. And where are my boys? Where's Jay? Where's Casey? In case if you'll watch it in recording, I watched this kid again, paying attention to you, and I think you're the most charismatic person here. There. I liked your Rasta hat. I liked your vibe. Very decent acting. I loved it. Short episodic, but I mean, there is no such thing as too short. Overall, there is no such thing as too small of a trade. You know what I mean? It did break here, and it was like far below the 0.5, and the volume distribution is not great. Yeah, minutes looks unattractive. This is all tested. This was gap is retest. This was bearish, so it's a retest. I don't know how to interpret this. Yeah, it might have been it. Like 0.5. There's still a place, and it's not a bad place on day. Test, retest, and then boom. Yeah, no, it's weird for a wave too. Wait, what is it again? HT. Hold on, am I muted? Why don't the sound comes in? Oh, here you go. Yeah. Not sure. I'm not sure about this guy. Given the volume though, we definitely want to see. Maybe not. I think it's gonna be closing this gap. Daily, monthly. Monthly is like it's overextended. I think I'll have to watch this trade go without me. Um, yeah. Let me see one Russian stock. I want to see it while we are talking. In 5 minutes, it closed below. So now it's like this. I think it should go just because. Just because. Because if this volume just went lower. Yeah, look at this volume. I think this is an accident. Down. Oh no. Yeah. This makes no sense. No way. I think it was. You can just see it like this, I guess. Because if not, then you have to put a line here and then just didn't hold. The biggest volume is here, of course, so Doesn't make no sense. 20.5 though, I think. Yeah, that was a 0.5, and then it went. We don't need you on minutes, please. Oh, yeah. You need a test here. Okay, what is this guy doing? Wait. Peak, I think it's construction company. I think this is construction company. Not sure though. Is it still? Yeah, I still have 5 hours to go. They roll till late. All I can tell. Okay. Try to hold this one, but didn't. Never mind this one. Yeah, it's definitely in an interesting place on daily. Yeah. It's up there though. The spring. Mm-hmm. Change the directionality here. Transitory extreme went up, 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 and then down, down, down. Oh yeah, I think it's a spring. So the volume distribution, it's not the biggest volume. Yeah. No, this is not Bueno. There's this volume in our face all tested. Yeah, this is untested part of it. I'll just put it here. Not to forget. And there's untested volume in our face. And it doesn't hold. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, and it already, yeah. Mm-hmm. So this is the next stop. And it's in this short balance. 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, not really, but this is too low. We'll see. Anyhow, it's tradable from here. We'll see how it interacts. Well, technically, I think it's a spring. We need a test though. Yeah. It goes. Yeah, when it comes here, we'll need to. Doesn't make sense because either it goes up here or if it comes down here, we'll need to consider it like this. And that also puts us quite above our 0.5. Just quite above. Below, I mean. Let's keep an eye on it. Let's keep an eye. Okay, we have peak. What else have we got? Um, yeah. Oh, this is not bad. Volume, no. This volume. Oof. Everything goes lower. And this is our days level. No volume though. No volume. It's like approaching this time where it comes close to the monthly level. This would be a great buy. Yeah. This guy's gone without us. I don't think we need. I don't think we need a reminder here. Yeah. I just wanted to know. I wanna be Romeo. Hey Juliet. That would be a good buy. Yeah. Ooh. Dun, dun, dun. Is this balance here? We are in a short balance. We are in a short balance here. We are in a short balance here. Can even put it on a month, on the hourly watch like this. Yes, you can. I can. We can start to try to pick it up from here. WDC. Where was this volume? This volume was here, and we're right in this volume right now. This volume was all here. And where was this volume? And there was. So we have a volume here. And we have a volume here. Okay. This doesn't look like a correction with this volume. Last day of an hour though. So it went like this. Hours, minutes. Hey, oh hey Casey, you just missed. I was talking about you. I rewatched the skit that you sent me. Hey man, and yeah, you're vibing. I liked your like charisma and style. um, I think you're the most charismatic character there. I like your rusty hat. I'm not sure I like red on red. I'd like rather see it uh, like Bob Marley style, like the Jamaica flag. But yeah, I mean, I like what you did. Really, it's like very small and episodic, but you're like decent there. I like the vibe. I like delivery is good. It's a straight like delivery. Um, so yeah, I like this beat even more when I watched it at that angle, knowing that you're the guy in red. Um, yeah, like I'm struggle to divide in the typecast, but I can definitely like see. Wow, thank you. Yeah, absolutely. Like your charisma shows and your delivery is straight. You know, I'm trying to think of. I can't like think about two things simultaneously, but once I'll coin your typecast, I'll let you know because it's very important. Like to know your typecast. Like I can see you. I can see in the typecast um, that kind of wise. Um, what I'm looking for, like a wise dude from the block, maybe like something like that. I'll think about it more and I'll let you know. I'm too consumed by the market right now. So this volume is okay, but even with that volume, we have a bigger volumes in our face, which is weird. Um, we have this volume, which is tested, last volume of the hour, and we have this volume, which is on a bullish candle. Yeah, yeah. I liked what you did there. Okay, like a lot of things are like going down today. Um, what I'm looking at here. Yeah, for peak I come back. Yeah, technically I think it's high up there, but it's a good buy. I think it goes into the evening session now. Yeah. How are you doing today, Casey? Are you green? What's going on with you? Technically, I can buy it from here after the test. I like this volume level. So it's a spring. Well, it's not a spring. It has a lower volume than this. So never mind this volume, but this volume. Uh, the car, though, was the car with the right side steering wheel, or was it a negative for the film? Because I was like, that's how they have it in the Far East, like of Russia, for like Japanese cars. They used to, not anymore, but back in '90s, they would buy like Japanese cars with their right side steering wheel. And they would drive them, but then they forbid. I think like it seemed to me that the car that you're sitting in has the steering wheel on the right. Is that true? Did I see it right? Well, even if you want to see, like, and it was like 2 bars. Yeah, that was the level, anyways. There was like 2 bars, and it actually protected. So that was an entry point. didn't halt, and then kind of close below. Yeah, that was an entry. On the left, I think you were the one sitting at the. Weren't you the driver? I think you were the driver, and I think I saw a steering wheel on your side, like when you had like a close, not the whole close up, but the wider shot. And I was like, well, what's going on? They might have like they might have used the negative. They might have inverted the image, but weren't you the driver? Maybe I just glitched. That happens to me. I'm known to do that. So you weren't. You were a passenger, right? Okay, okay, okay. Never mind. I glitched because at some point there was like a little shot. You're like mainly in close up, but there was like a little shot where, kind of like a wider shot, and I was like, why is Casey like having a steering wheel? Never mind. Never mind. That's me. Okay, that's here now. Interesting. Okay, okay. But yeah, good job. I really I like your work. Um, you have a character, like you have a texture, if you know what I mean, like a character. So you're good to go. And it's very important in the beginning to have a typecast. That's how my like Russianness helped me, because like when you get into C-list, B-list, then they start calling you in, like offering you, so you don't audition anymore, and they kind of like they want to know how to sell you. Your agent needs to like probably like in the beginning of your career, you want them to see you like right off the door. You walk in and they know exactly, oh, you're the guy next door, or you're like Russian villain, or you don't know, like uh, hacker, or scientist or cosmonaut. This cliched um, Russian roles. Um, Same deal for any actor. When you're just beginning your career, they don't think about you long because there's like hundreds of thousands like you behind that casting studio door. I just want to see you like and like understand you in one beat. You're like, okay, you're good for this role, and that's it. That's basically it. So technically, it broke down here because this is bearish, but practically, like if seen from the close of the previous bar, uh, s- so yeah, we'll still keep on watching it. Mm, yeah, market is weird today. Market is weird. Mhm. It would be good to buy from point 0.5 if it comes here. Google. Okay, let's take a look at Google. Um, I didn't check out this guy for like a little while. Mm. Gosh, my lip cracked. It kind of bleeds. I'm sorry, guys. Ooh, this is a massacre. So it broke above here, then formed this extremum again, and now at all-time highs. I don't like it on monthly already because of this all-time highs. Um, so I would expect some price action here, some correction. But to be like technical, it broke up here, went higher here, and then renewed this level. So now it's don't need all the previous levels. Yeah. So we are in this condor now here in the bullish movement. Yeah, so often does it like this. You see, should have been. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter now. So yeah, it's here. Volume distribution is good. Um, it was also a test level for this guy. I don't know how to interpret this volume, to be honest with you. But the bar is bullish, so uh, say it's good. Say it's good. Hmm. We have a bigger candle on 18th of March. That was gap with retest that didn't retest. Um, broke down but never confirmed. Well, actually, it's still in this. Uh, no, it is not. Yeah, it broke down, confirmed, went down again, went up, up, up. So yeah, daily is in this situation. Well, technically it renewed here, but so it's more like this. So it's a reaction bar right now, the resistance of the monthly. So you probably already know that what I'm saying. I'm saying that I don't like it on daily. Monthly too, it interacts with resistance level at all-time heights. So it already did. It went to all-time height and did this correction. So that might be it because it's not an actual level; it's a historical level. But now this level is in our face, so I would expect some correction again. Counter trend levels are meant to be broken. However, it still needs to happen. And now it's in reaction bar of daily and in reaction bar of monthly. So I would definitely more so. I wouldn't look at it long. I would have been looking for a um, short correction. That would be my thinking. 140, 140, 33. Oh, no, 140. I'm sorry, 140, 33. And profit 190.49. Oh, this is like a monthly. This is a monthly trade. Um, this is nothing like daily. Yeah. No, I wouldn't take it like this because it's in a long impulse. It's at all-time highs, at the historical highs, interacting with resistance level on monthly and on daily as well. Not even a reaction bar; it's a manipulation bar. So yeah, no. The short answer is no. Um, it's a long trend, but it's like resistance both on daily and monthly. And daily, I mean, daily doesn't concern you. Um, just set up as monthly. Yeah, that's all I got for you on this guy. I just want you to know I wanna be your Romeo. Hey Juliet. Hey, no, I was wrong here actually. Because look, this bar, it upthrusted, so never mind me. And then it broke and upthrusted again. So yeah, no, this model is completely broken. Never mind me. It's actually like this. Yeah, went all the way down. And now the street people went to the lunch. Is it the lunchtime? 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, noontime at the street. Everyone's like, never mind, we don't need to make money. We want to like go to lunch. We want to eat. Um, that might have been correction to 0.5. Comes back here. You can buy it. No, not like on Home Depot. Oh no, it's Johnson and Johnson. Yeah, I think that was an accident because of how like deep this spring was, and I think it will go. But all I need is to break even on this guy. I don't need nothing on it no more. I'm sorry, Johnson and Johnson. It's a good level on monthly still. Um, yeah, let's see, let's see. Yeah, let me see. Google is of course. Does Google pay dividends? No, it doesn't. That's why it's not on my list. That's why I didn't see it for Beacon Roofing Supply. Jay would be glad to see this stock for sure. Doesn't pay dividends too. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this is better. I can tell you already. Still technically. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm still sleeping. No, it broke. It broke above. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, this is way better. This is the Casey I know. In the red rust ahead. Uh, chill and confident. So it kind of tried to form this correction level here, but one bar rule. It's now above it. Yeah. So this would be the correction level. The significant bar. And it was also it was jump over creek, but then um, this happened. One bar rule happened. Yeah, looks good on hour. I would rather see you like wait for this correction and buy from here. But it's continuation of the long trend. It's all green, all good to go on monthly. Yeah, looking good. Was it the biggest? This was the biggest, so never mind. It corrects today if it closes bearish. Today, that would mean that the long impulse is over on daily. So I'd rather wait. I would rather have you wait for the day to correct to 0.5 and buy it from there. But I know that you like to buy in continuation of the trend. No salsa, no no dip. For Casey, just chips. 166, 91, 75, 118. Yeah, setup is monthly, not daily. It's too wide. Good, the stop loss is below the T2 level, the support level for this day movement. Yeah, it's more like monthly trade. This stock I like way better than Google. Continuation of the trend. Continuation of the trend. Looks like it's will close bearish and we'll start correction, so we'll get T1 here. So I'd rather you to buy it from here. But yeah, other than this, all good. Lol, yeah. No, I'm just all in for some good healthy habits. Yeah, I think we can consider it from here if it comes to it. Uh, quick aggressive trade from point 0.5. I think it's good. Um, Home Depot just like the market is weak. I can tell you already. The market is weak. Um, didn't hold this level. What are these guys? These guys doing? What are they doing? It's a little bit high above like point 0.9, 0.5, but also the day level. Yeah. Change the directionality. Absolutely no volume. There is a little. Because everyone is at lunch right now. Mm, yeah, Casey. I want you to start buying the dip, the salsa. You know what I mean? Let's see the. Ooh, this guy fell off a cliff. Uh, in this balance, and there is no volume. It's a good place. This volume is concerning though, like this volume. But then this volume comes in. Yeah, no, it falls off the cliff as of now. We need to wait. Wait. Uh, Interesting. So it went like this, and then it went like this. Ay, ay, ay. Like this. Mhm. Ooh, this is close. This is close. Technically, it's in a short trend, but close to point 0.5. That would be a good buy from here. UPS. Uh-huh. It's like one of the stocks that we're looking short. So it's testing. It's manipulating its test level in point 0.5. This is a good buy. Yeah, right here. Do you want to try it short? Is a real stop? What do you think, guys? It's in point 0.5 though. You would expect it to reverse on this volume. Yeah, this doesn't look like a correction volume no more. That looks like a reversal volume. But still looks good. And where is the volume here? Its volume is here. And now we are exactly in this volume level. We are exactly so. This volume came in, but we're like testing it right now. It was the gap is test and it retested and went down. There's this volume now, and this volume is where? Yeah, this volume is kind of here. Bro, I think it's it's a good level to short. Do you want to open the Pandora chest and start shorting on the American market? Because this is good to short. Yeah, GD, we'll take a look at it right now. Where's J? There's so many construction stocks that look short. Yeah, this level, like I would want to see it here. It's more like down there. But after it tests it, look at this volume. I mean, there was a lot of volume coming in here. You got to start shorting somewhere because, I mean, correction in the American market is not. Yeah, look at all this volume. I'd rather say the opposite. You know what I would say? I would say that like I want my stop loss, my take profit be before here. It is in the volume level. But yeah, I would put it like this because like all this volume here. Yeah. Let's see the 5 minutes. It came here, jumped. What was the biggest volume here? Yeah. Maybe like something quick on 5 minutes. Because short, you cannot play with virtual stops. Like with shorts, it can be only like real stop losses. So if I'm wrong, I'm wrong and I lose money and I have to take my stop. I have to take my loss. There is absolutely no way I see the strength. Oh, hold on. What was? Yeah, and it was all day trade. Yeah. No, the volume distribution is not great. I'll be honest with you. It's all down there. It looks more like, yeah, this volume is down there. Yeah, I think it respected this level, did this motion, and now it's regrouping to go back. This volume down here, this volume down here. Yeah, I think it's more so breaking above right now. We'll see. We'll see soon. We'll see by reaction bars. We need to test and retest. And here, um, yeah, like this. We're above this volume though, and that's today's volume. We have this volume to support us, to resist, to place our resistance. Do you want to try it for a quick short? See the strength. I see the weakness. I think that's it. I think that was the exhaustion volume here. And it's here. Let's put it on the. So the day volume is here. Let's edit the days. That's our volume profile. Yeah, it's here. This volume is like, let's see where this volume is. 30th of January. 30th of January. 30th. Yeah. Let's go to 5 minutes. Let's do something. If it still shows 5 minutes, yeah. So that's our volume level. That's our volume level. On this. Do you see it on days? Yeah. This level is here. I'm not so sure. Let's keep an eye. Let's keep an eye. But technically, it's a 2-bar up thrust. It's a 2-bar up thrust of the volumed, and we need a test here of a volumed. You know, that's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. Plus test. In case I remember about you, we'll take a look at you right now. Just I need to make my money too. Even more so, not to lose. Then goes. This is like too low. Yeah, no, this is not workable. This guy, that could be a good buy. This guy, WD. Ooh, look what it does to us. Is this? But we cannot. It will go now. 1983. 1983. Yeah, it will go now. But we need a manipulation signal. UPS. Everything is gonna go now. UPS. Okay, let's keep on watching UPS. Hold on, let me plug in my charger. My Mac charger is acting out. Like my original died, even though it was like relatively new. I think there is something wrong with electricity in this house. And now every time I bought a generic one, and I need to like 95% of the time when I plug it in, I need to unplug the cable from the box itself and plug it back again. I don't know what it is and what it related to. I was like, okay, this works. It works. Yeah, it's in the long continuation of the trend. I would love to see you buy from here, buy the dip, buy the salsa, but continuation of the trend. I'm not sure about this volume and how to relate to it. It's the big volume. It's not the biggest volume, but I mean, it is a big volume. For now, it's when it's paying dividends, and I have it, General Dynamics Corporation. So it's in this situation on daily right now. It's in this situation on daily right now. I'd rather see you like wait for it to come here. You already know my mantra: buy the deep, buy the salsa, and that's the biggest level of the day. Lee, long impulse. So I would definitely watch for something here. I think it will go. So I think it will become like a next, because you have this volume, you still have like the bigger volumes in your absolutely untested. This is untested. This is so volume distribution is long. Everything looks good. Closes this bar bearish today. We'll have a T1 level, so officially it's going to be correction up to here. So I'd rather for you to wait it to come to correction and buy the salsa. I don't know, Casey. He goes wild. He's machina. He's machine. He just buys from up high, and I mean, I cannot blame him. That's his. It's a free country, right? We're in a free country. Everyone does what that's a daily trade. Like I don't like the stop loss. It's hanging like in the middle of nowhere, and most likely you'll be buying. So if it closes bearish today, we'll have this level, and most likely you'll be buying. Like everyone. I mean, everyone. Like that's why I'm here. That's why I'm in America, because I mean, everyone does what they think is the right thing to do, or whatever they want to do, and that's the beauty of this country. Back home, I would ban you from buying like this. I would only allow you to buy from here. But we are in America, so you're a free man, and so am I. Um, yeah, so like my problem here is like if it closes bearish, which I think it will in 3 hours, 3.5 hours. So like then it will come here to manipulate this level, and you'll buy from like if it makes an up thrust, like okay, let me just double check. Oh, do you want to set up this trade, guys? Hold on, Casey. Do you want to play with it? Because it's a trade. It's a good, nice trade right here. Damn. It's gonna go. And the stop loss, yeah. Not gonna be on time though. I'll have to let it go. Uh, it would have gone. It would have gone. Well, that's the discipline. I'm gonna watch it go because like I'm not ready yet to, but that's a trade. That's a trade. Yeah. Let's go for a test. It will give me a little bit of test. Okay. I'm in. I'm in for better or worse. Let me set up my stop losses. Let me set up my stop loss. Hold on. How do I? 150. Good till cancelled. Buy. Hold on, I'm thinking. Is it a stop? It's just a stop, right? Or hold on, let me see. Trade orders. Trade UPS. How do I set up a stop loss for this guy? Stop loss. So I want to buy. How do I do? Stop. I think this is stop, right? Okay. Just a stop. Wait till canceled. Okay. Okay. Modify. I don't know how to do. Connected. I'm sorry, Casey. Oh no. Are we going to hell? By minutes. Yes. No, why? Because a better price. No, stop. Price. Yeah. Oh, because it's okay. No, I get it. Oh, hold on. Let me check. That's my. I didn't stop at my stop loss and take profit right away, so now I'm freaking out. Hold on. Okay. So now we need another order. Okay. Yeah, I think now we're good. Let me double check everything. Yeah. I think now we're good. It's just they're not. My problem is that they're not related. I need one cancels the other. Yeah, I don't know how to relate them to each other. Modify. Anyhow, I think it works. So I put on the stop order for here. Let's start describing our trade. What's my entry? I was filled at 49.97. 49.9. A logbook. So sorry. Did I take a look at your GD already? I think I did, right? Yeah, I did. So let's put it on pause. Let me deal with my stuff, okay? It's a 15th and it's a day trade and it's a UPS and my entry is 29.85. No, my entry is 49.97. Why is it 49.97. Holy moly. Okay, here you go. Oh, it's tighter. So that would be my 2R. 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 So let me change my order. Modify. Yeah, done. Okay, that's it. Oh, that doesn't look good. Oh, no, I'm gonna be stopped out. Okay. It is what it is. So we have a short impulse. Short impulse. Sign of weakness level. 2-bar up thrust. It kind of like volumed. It was giving us a hint with this bigger level. I gotta put minus here, volumed test. Volumed test. Yeah, that was like the test was kind of giving us a hint. Okay. So it's trend trade and copy link. And it was giving us up thrust. 2-bar up thrust plus. 2-bar up thrust plus. Oops. Are you still in? Still holds, but yeah, now it broke the level, so it's okay. We gotta get stopped somewhere. You gotta get stopped somewhere. Like trading without stops is not. Hold on, let me not change it yet because, yeah, we're out. That was a quick wrong. And that's exactly why I only let me fix my broker because I don't know how to do conditional orders in these ones. Yeah, I'm stopped out. Cancel this. That was quick. Let me make sure that this is canceled. No, I need to cancel you guy. This is exactly why I don't play. What's going on? I don't trade. I think it's already canceled. EPS. Let me double check. That's why I only trade long on American stock because I don't like losing money like this. Didn't lose much, but still it sucks. Oh, it's canceled. Okay, yeah. Okay. So my other order is canceled. And this is a stop, my friends. And I don't like stops at all. how I think it's Fidelity guy who said rule number one on the stock market: never lose money, and rule number two: never ever lose money. And like, if I see, just let me fill out my logbook first. I tried, and I mean, I was hoping to get in between these volume levels, but I didn't. And one day, one stop, you see now, like I'm out of the trade. Hold on. It's a short impulse. Everything looked good except for the short impulse plus break under ice test level plus resistance level plus 1 2 correction. Everything looked so good. But it didn't go. Gosh, it still sucks to lose money. It's a trend trade. And also I forgot to mention that this was this was also a resistance level. The only problem was that there was a volume that came in on test, and you can see it on monthly. This volume, this was no bueno, but I decided to disregard it because the volume distribution on daily was good. Was good. Okay, that's. I'll have to start trading short somewhere because in the correction, the other option was like to wait for a test. Why did I put test here? I didn't need a test. It wasn't a strong approach. It's just like 2-bar up thrust minus. Because of the form of this up thrust, maybe. That's exactly why you need to log everything so that you can analyze it later. Maybe just because of how small this. Yeah. Yeah, that was the problem, I think. Yeah, of course. It's only 2 ticks bearish bar. No, yeah. No, that was wrong. For sure. It's a counter trend trade 15. Oops, no. 15, and it's a long impulse. Long. Hold on, let me take a look at WDC real quick. Yeah, this is also weird. And I think my trading for today is done because I already got stop loss. A real one. Long impulse plus, is it the biggest? It's volumed T1 plus. It's kind of like biggest volume 2-bar up thrust minus reaction bar is only 2 ticks short. So this is the main problem, and I don't know how I didn't see it in the moment. The rest was good. It looked like a weak test. So yeah, I think the biggest part that I missed is that this bar is like barely bearish. I don't know. Yeah, that's exactly why you need to back trade, because when you're trading, it's a counter trend trade. when you're trading, you are reduced. You don't raise up to the occasion. You sink down to the level of your um, training. It's almost like when you're boxing or fighting, you don't learn to fight while in the ring, while you're fighting. You only learn to fight while you are mm, uh, at the training. Yeah, that was quick. That was quick and unnecessary. I should have not been taking this trade, but I liked it. I liked the volume here. It was all good. This volume, yeah, on 5 minutes, it was good. And it's gonna be funny if it just goes my way. And that's exactly why I don't want to have a real stops on American stock market. It does it every time. And it's a trend. It's a conservative counter trend trade 15. Everything was so good here. It was a short impulse. It was 1-2 correction. It was T2 level, biggest volume, 2 bar up thrust minus with inverse volume distribution. I'm not sure if it makes sense in English, but I'll explain right now. Yeah, calculated affordable stop loss 1, 1 to 2 risk to reward, take profit. Casey, if you have anything else to take a look, let me know. Yeah, that would be funny if it just like re-up thrust this with the volume and then just goes down without me, because I cannot like take it. I cannot take a second trade here just because you lost your money once, walk away. It's not your place. It's inverse level. So the volume here was beautiful. To look how it was building. I was like all the way from here. It was like reverse, not inverse, reverse volume distribution. Reverse affordable stop loss. Yeah, everything was like hourly was weird though. Like the manipulation signal was like the biggest volume of the correction. Yeah, just for fun. It's like we'll see if it goes because it can. I'll just put it here, reverse volume distribution. T2 level, resistance level. Yeah, everything was great here. Everything was beautiful. Now comes to think of it, I'm still proud of this trade. It's a good trade. It was a conservative trade with a 2 bar up thrust, minus. Copy link. Yeah, and we were like in between the volumes, like everything was good. No, I'm proud of this. Like Freud would say, sometimes a stop loss is just a stop loss. Let's but I don't want to do it anymore. I'll be honest with you. That was enough. I forgot how stop losses feel, and it sucks. Yeah, you see, like the funny part is I think it's gonna go. It stopped me out. Now it like up thrusted with another volume. volume dies. Technically, we need a test because it's expanding level. This test or without test. Without test, it's like already close. So that's exactly why I don't want to play. I don't want to trade short on American market with the real stop losses, because with the virtual stop loss, I would be like I would have broke even already. But just you cannot short with a virtual stop losses. Just not how it works. And now I banned myself out of any trades today, uh, which sucks additionally. Um, yeah, there is a splash of volume. It's kind of weird what it shows here. It is weird, and it's like below 0.5, but it's in a daily level. Forget this 0.5. Forget this 0.5 because it's at the daily level now. Yeah, I think with the test it's a buy, but I don't think I'm gonna take it because um, day one stop, and I already got mine. Um, and it sucks. It sucks to have a stop loss, and yeah, I think my moratorium on short trades and real stop losses on American market continues, uh, because it's the first loss I took in ever since this year, from the beginning of this year. It's the first time I took a loss, um, and I don't like it. And I don't like it, so I'll continue my thing with these virtual stop losses, like here. I would have I would have lost money here today, but I didn't, and I think it will go. Even if it doesn't, I'll just sit and wait till it will break me even eventually, because on the monthly, it's like in point 0.5. I feel good about it. Well, I don't feel good about it. It doesn't go my way, but I feel good about not losing money. And I think it's a spring, it's a test. And even though it broke it, I think it will be like this actually. But we'll see. Now, according to my rules, it's like this. Yeah, and once again, I would be like broken even already. And also, I think more likely than not, it will still do the trade. It will test this spring, this up thrust right now, and will go lower. Just within my rules, I have no rights of if I gotta stop, I need to walk away. I need to walk away and chill. That was our UPS. Was a good trade. Was a good trade. One. The only one thing that I saw is that the reaction bar was only like 2 ticks bearish. That's my only problem. Okay, guys, I'm gonna walk away. I need to. Okay, forget about this. Forget about this volume level. I'll go start my day. I'll go do my jog and morning exercise, and we'll see. I tell you guys, when I come back to monitor, it will test this level, the level of the 2 bar up thrust, and it will go. But that's a lesson. Okay, guys. See you by the end of the day. I'll take a look at the markets again, and we'll prepare for the next day. Take care.